Namaste, welcome to Gita's kitchen. Today's video is a very special one because it is very close to my heart. The reason? It is made by the social venture of 14 women rural entrepreneurs from rural India. So it is made with the love and care of rural mothers. And this is the first generation of rural entrepreneurs, and they have brought to us this Ragi Mudde mix. For the very first time it has been introduced ever. So this mix has been made by their social venture which is known as Mill, where they are making a number of millet products, and their signature dish is the South Indian famous Ragi Mudde, a very healthy and nutritious dish. I have already shown you the method of preparation of Ragi Mudde a couple of years ago on my channel. But this method makes it very easy. So anybody who does not know to make or does not have the time to make can easily make it in just a matter of minutes. And the speciality of this product is that there are no chemicals used. The ragi flour is made from stone grinding, and it is highly nutritious. No added flavors, just simple pure millet flour for you. No artificial flavors, no other chemicals. The name you can see here in different languages. They have been trained by the premier institute for food research in India, that is CFTRI, Central Food Technological Research Institute. They have been given the training to these women entrepreneurs, and they have made this premier product. So with the training given by CFTRI Mysore, these 14 rural mothers have procured the raw materials from the local farmers, and they are producing this product to increase the rural economy also. These entrepreneurs are from Bilikere village in Karnataka. So now let's see how to use this product. Now I will show you how to prepare this Ragi Mudde. It comes in a pack like this. I have just transferred it into this jar. And to make it, so we'll just take the required quantity of this Ragi Mudde mix in a bowl. So today I am showing you with 1 cup of Ragi mix. Ragi Mudde mix. So for 1 measure or 1 cup of Ragi Mudde mix, whichever measure you take, with the same measure add equal quantity of water. This is normal room temperature water. Add this water little at a time and mix it. See, we have mixed it very well with clean washed hands. Now we can just add a tablespoon of ghee to this for added flavor. That's it. See how effortlessly your Ragi Mudde has been made ready. Now you shape them into balls of whatever size you want. And keep them ready like this. Here I have kept some water for steaming these muddes. So just as you steam your idlis, in the same way you can steam it on your idli plate or just keep any steamer. We have shaped them out into 6 balls or 6 Ragi Muddes. Water is boiling. You can use any steamer plate that you have. Use your idli plate or any steamer plate that you have, and just place these muddes here for steaming. The size you can make small or big as per your choice. This I made the regular average size. We'll cover it and we'll steam it over a medium to high flame for 12 minutes. 12 minutes now. We'll switch it off. Just allow it to remain like this for 2 minutes and then we can remove it. Ragi or finger millet is known as a wonder grain. It is the king of millets. Highly nutritious, very rich source of calcium, high in fiber, has got good quantity of iron too. And this is especially recommended for diabetics, especially because of its high fiber content. And in this particular Ragi Mudde mix, which they are made with the CFTRI technology, they have also added Methi in this. So Ragi plus Methi. Methi is fenugreek. Fenugreek seeds or Methi is again additionally beneficial for diabetics. For many other reasons it is good. So this product is a really very healthy, and as the women entrepreneurs say, it is a box of health for you and a livelihood for us. And their motto is health first and business next. See, now let's open it out. Perfectly cooked Ragi muddes. Absolutely no lumps, which is one major problem when you make it as a beginner. You will find get stacking up with lumps. It doesn't stick at all and very well cooked. So easy and simple to make. That is the best part. Even if you eat just 2 of these muddes, it really makes you very full. That is the advantage of eating millets. And here I have served out this steaming hot Ragi muddes, fresh. You can serve it with here. Today I have mango chutney. So I have served it with mango chutney, or you can have it with pickle. And of course with this saru. Saru is like a kind of dal or sambar. Today I have made it with some greens. So any curry, sambar, dal, whatever you have. The way it is eaten, you just take a portion of this, remove it, dip it in the saru and then have it. See, I'll just break one. It's quite hot. Break one and show you. So you just dip it in your saru and have it. This product is made by mothers of India with love, care and hygiene. As I told you in the beginning, this is the very first time ever that this product has been introduced. A very nutritious and healthy product, simple and easy to make. So one tip I would like to give you here. This Ragi Mudde is best eaten fresh. But if you are going out for work and you are going to eat it later, always keep it covered. Once it cools down, keep it covered so that the outer layer does not dry out. Then you can really enjoy the taste of these Ragi Muddes. And if some of you have a doubt whether this Methi powder is going to add some bitterness to the taste, it definitely does not. You have wonderful Ragi Mudde ready in a matter of minutes with very very minimal effort. You can have it for breakfast, you can have it for lunch. As I told you, all millets have this quality that they really fill you up and loaded with nutrition too. So if you are interested, we'll give you all the links in the description box, so you can contact those links and get this box of health for yourselves too. They also have many more products in the pipeline, but Ragi Mudde is their signature product. That's why I am introducing that first to you. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to Gita's Kitchen and we'll meet again with another interesting episode from Gita's Kitchen. Thank you.